get it.
Look.
Peekaboo! The peekaboo!
She's laying down in there, isn't she?
Yeah. Peekaboo!
She went in there.
Peekaboo!
I can pet you
Well, I
in the
guess that's
blanket.
her new blanket.
I can pet you in the blanket. Come here. What are you doing? Like a little hot dog in there. She feels
What
like
you doing in there? What you doing in there?
I got you, hot dog. I got you, little hot dog.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Go introduce her.
I did. I have to bring him out.
I keep wanting to call her Cinnamon. Come here.
I know, huh?
Go in there. Go on. Go in there. Look, she goes right in.
She looks like Gizmo.
Aw, she likes it in there. Hi. Aw, you are cute. You do have bad breath, though.
What's this?
Aw, she went like this.
I hope not.
What?
Let's hope this turns out well.
She's coming that way.
Ma, she's from the country. She's gonna pounce on that thing.